Ensure the edges are aligned before it moves on.
We have a slight imperfection near the center.
At nearly 10 meters long, this python skin is a rare specimen, demanding the utmost precision from the technicians in this controlled environment.
The water pressure is precisely calibrated here to clean the entire 9.8 meters without damaging the scales.
The humidity levels are stable at 40%.
Good. The airflow seems consistent across the entire length.
Moisture levels are stable here at 14%.
Noted. Let's check the far end next.
Steady now, slow down. Watch your footing back. Watch your footing back there. All right, let's bring it down easy. And set. Okay, guide it in slowly. Almost there. Hatch secure. Starting the cycle now. Okay, lift your side higher. All right. I've got it. Push it towards the intake. Go. Watch the edge slowly now. Watch the leading edge.
Clear.
Clear. Pulling the tail now.
The moisture level is stabilizing right on target.
Good, the texture looks excellent on this batch.
The circulation remains steady at 20 RPM. Perfect. The pH levels are stable and the absorption rate is optimal. Keep an eye on the humidity levels. Confirmed. The indicators are stable. The texture is perfect.
The python skin undergoes a controlled tanning cycle here, tumbling gently in the drums until it reaches peak saturation.
All right, keep it steady now. Don't let it tear.
It's heavy, but it looks good. Almost there.
Okay, pull it clear. Look at the consistency right here near the center.
Yeah, it's holding up well. Very supple.
The edges are perfectly uniform across the whole length. The humidity levels look stable at 45%. Good, the airflow seems consistent across the entire length.